Hello, my friends. How are you today? Super ooper? Okay, I am doing great too. Today, our activity is very easy. So easy. All you have to do is to connect one number to the other. What number goes right after number 1? Number 2. Good job. Then we come and connect. And then number 3, 4, and from now on, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. You know all those numbers. Then you are going to connect one to another. Then we are going to find out something very beautiful that we have in the bottom of the sea. When you finish, you will know what it is. If you want, you can color inside. But don't forget to take a picture and send to me because I want to see what did you find out. Okay? Okay, my friends. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.